Hello everyone, TechnoSuits Craig Chamberlain here, and this is the Boot US Dual Boot Series question and answer. I'm going to answer a question real quick that I said I was going to answer before, and we're going to talk about burning an image to a CD-ROM drive in the instance that you didn't have a floppy drive. Now, I do recommend you guys get a floppy drive for many, many reasons. A lot of the software utilities out there still use floppy drives, and they're dirt cheap. You can get one for like $7 at Newegg. Something ridiculous. Anyways, if you don't have one, just go up to your boot manager and click install. Select, whatever your boot settings are for that episode, and click next, and select all your configurations. The important part is creating an image file. Now, just select create an image file, select next, and select install, and it says it's successfully created, and select OK. Now, if you want to find this image file, I'm going to show it you here in a second, but if you need a software tool, which you probably do, in order to burn this image file, you can go to my website in the bottom right hand corner under free software tools, and we have the Active at ISO Burner 2.0. So go ahead and download and install that application, and then we're going to burn that to a blank CD-RW. Now, I recommend you using a CD-RW. That way you can write over it over and over again, because you have to recreate the CD a few times during the dual boot series. So what you want to do is select the three dots on the right hand side of your active ISO burner, and then you want to navigate to My Computer, C Drive, Program Files, and then we want to go to Boot US, and what it does is it actually puts it as a .img file. This is looking for .iso. So select this drop down and select .img, and this bmgrus.img is your boot manager image you just created. Select your CD burner. I sadly don't have a CD burner on this computer. And then of course select your mode, which you'll just leave at the default. Check your speed, copies, and then of course you want to erase the write media if you're writing over an old CD rewrite. So then you just click burn, and it'll burn the image to a disk. It probably won't take more than 30 seconds to a minute, and then you can reboot and boot off of your CD-ROM drive instead of your floppy drive. And that is all there is to this episode. As always, thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to leave comments and ratings, and you might want to subscribe. If you have any other questions, shoot them in my direction, and I will try to get them answered to the best of my ability. Thanks again.